Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Wallet and go straight to the Apple Cash Card. This is where you begin. Once there, accept terms and verify identity if prompted. The app will ask for the last four of your SSN and your DOB to enable full features. Make sure Face ID or your passcode is active so transactions complete without extra steps. After verification, tap Add Money only if you want a balance. Otherwise, you can use incoming funds to pay immediately. You send money inside messages by choosing a contact, entering a dollar amount, and tapping Pay. That's the simplest send flow. Once done, confirm with Face ID or your passcode so the transfer goes through. For in-store purchases, open Wallet, select the Apple Cash Card, and hold near the reader. It behaves like any contactless card. Make sure your merchant accepts Apple Pay. If not, request another method and use Apple Cash to refund or transfer later. You finish by moving any balance to your bank if you prefer cash in your account. Tap the Apple Cash Card, choose Transfer to Bank, enter the dollar amount, and pick Instant or 1-3 business day transfer. Instant uses your debit card and shows a small fee. Standard transfers are free. If a transfer or payment fails, check Apple system status and your network, confirm card and identity info, then retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support through Settings Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.